This problem is white to play, and the goal is to kill the black group on the corner. So there are a couple of obvious moves that are wrong. One is to capture this black stone, right? Now black will live pretty comfortably here on the corner. Or if white tries to reduce black's eye space from here, then we know that this pattern, black can start a ko very easily like this. So ko is not the optimal result for white. So there are actually two moves that white can use to succeed. One is this, reducing black's eye space from this side. Now if black connects, then white will just play here. And this is not enough eye space for black. White can kill black like this, or this. Same result. If black responds by playing here, then white can come in here, right? This is no longer a ko. White can come in here and the eye space will be very, very small. Only one real eye. If black tries here, then again, white can just play here and there will not be enough eye space for black. This will be a false eye. So white 1 will guarantee success. Also, white can play here, threatening to cut off this one black stone. So black must connect. Now white plays here. If black plays here, then white should play this. So white is threatening to connect back here on the first line, right? Black can no longer capture any white stones on the corner. And of course, if black captures these stones, white will destroy this eye from the outside. And this will be a bulky 5 shape. And black will be dead this way. If black tries other moves, this will be a fake mutual life. It seems like a mutual life shape, but it's actually not. Black will be forced to play this move and turn this into a straight 3 pattern, which will be a dead shape for black. So overall, the correct moves are not too difficult to find. It is important to avoid the obvious wrong moves that are very tempting, especially for beginners to play. Thank you for watching.